Welcome to 4K creation.
Really? Hey guys, you're not gonna believe this.
What'd he say?
He says that
He wants to stay.
he says somebody's gotta stay and look after this place. And that he's 75 years old and he just learned how to fly.
But he won't be able to get out.
He knows. Oh, Milo. I feel like I just got you back. Now I'm losing you for good.
You're not losing me, buddy. I'll always be with you.